Hey loves, let's make this dreamy chrome watercolor and 3D flower nail. Let's go! Start with a white base and rub in that chrome powder till it shines like a mirror. Now add a layer of matte top coat. It locks in the chrome and prepares the nail for the next level. Time to paint a soft blue edge using watercolor. Start with a wet brush full of color, then use a dry one to blend it out gently. What colors should I try next time? Drop your ideas below. Let's seal that watercolor with top coat. This keeps the colors in place. Now let's draw two cute flowers right over those blue areas. Place the center of each flower where the blue is deepest. Add another layer of top coat, but don't give it yet. Now add some tiny 3D beads in the center of each flower. It gives your design such a cute raised effect, then cure everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.